How to block phone numbers from AT&T Landline. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about blocking phone numbers from AT&T Landline. So follow the steps. So call block, also known as call screening, is a service enabling you to block calls from up to 10 phone numbers in your local calling area for a nominal monthly fee. For the activation, you have to dial *60. If prompted, choose 3 to activate the service. And for deactivation, you can dial *80. If prompted, select 3 to turn off the feature. Talking about adding and deleting numbers, in order to add, you can press hash, enter the 10-digit number you wish to add, and press hash to confirm. Repeat this process for each desired number, and in order to remove, press asterisk and enter the 10-digit number you want to delete and press asterisk to confirm. Repeat for each number to be removed, and also remember to input the full 10-digit phone number including the area code. Press 0 at any point to hear the instructions again, and long distance and out of area numbers cannot be screened. Certain mobile numbers may not be blockable, and 800 numbers are not blockable. So please note that this service may not be available in all the locations. So this was all about how to block phone numbers from AT&T Landline. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.